everyone. It has been quite a busy week here at Nordic Anglers. We've had just an insane amount of orders due to the big sale we have just now on fly tying and other stuff. And thank you a lot, all of you who have been to the shop and have bought some of all the great deals, the great bargains that are to be had at Nordic Anglers just now. This past week has, as I said, been a bit hectic. We've been busy packing all the orders and shipping to all you customers. But I've also spent this week identifying and locating a lot of new stuff. So what I've done yesterday and early this morning is I have added about in between 400 and 500 completely fresh new products to all the different sales categories in there. So if you have been by the shop to see the sale, then I urge you to do so again, because a lot of new stuff have been added to the sales category. So basically, we've added a lot of new stuff, and in particular, a lot of stuff for the avid pike angler. For instance, we've decided to discontinue all the dragon tails, all the wave tails, all the wriggle tails. So if you're in the market for some of these, then now is your chance to stock up on these, because I only have as much as stock. I'm not going to order any more of these to put them on sale again. But if you're in need of any of these pike tails, the Picarini wriggle tails, then you need to stock up now, because the prices are really, really good. Another product I want to show you that are new to the sales category is this. This is a really, really long, very, very nice fiber. It's called grizzly fiber, and basically it has some markings, some striations on there, and it's perfect suited for pike flies, but also for bait fish patterns in particular. These are just two of the new product categories that has been added to the sales category. So if you haven't done so, swing by, because stocks are depleting quite fast, and that is how we want it to be. But do not miss out on these, because some of these deals here are just insanely cheap. So swing by Nordic Anglers. In the top corner, you can see the sales category, or simply just click the link below this YouTube video to see all the really, really big, great bargains. And as always, with products like this that are on sale, we only have the products as long as stocks last. So do not miss out. Well, I think that was just it. Thank you so much for watching, and as always, good luck out on the water.